Hello, my name is Alexander Stancescu. I'm a data analyst at btProvider and Tableau certified associate. Today I want to talk about tops, specifically a top within a category. So I already prepared a view for this. In general, when you're discussing tops in Tableau, everybody does a set. We have here top 10 subcategories by profit. And we constructed this view by bringing region and subcategory to rows, then making a table with measure names, measure values, and we dragged our set onto filters. And we get this image. And I could say it's okay, but I can't notice that the fact that binders is here and has negative profit, appliances and furnishings also, and it's in my top 10 profits for central. Honestly, that sounds a little dubious. How can I verify this? Well, let's duplicate this and remove our set. And art, labels, fasteners, supplies didn't even appear, but binders appeared. So why is that? If we bring set here, just so you can understand what's happening, you see this is an in-out. So these subcategories are in my set, these are outside my set. And they are the same across each region. So the same subcategories. Why is that? Well, that's due to the fact that sets in Tableau are computed globally. So when you do a set like top 10 subcategories by profit, you're actually doing it for the whole data set. And then if you want to do something within it, like doing region and subcategories, then what Tableau will do, it will display the top 10 subcategories for the global set. So what alternatives do we have if we want to visualize our top 10 subcategories for each region? Well, one alternative is the rank function. So I'm just going to duplicate this and remove the set. So the rank function is a calculated field. You can create a calculated field. Let's call it rank of profits. And it's rank of sum of profit. That's about it. So you get this here. It's a table calc. Let's drag this to filters. It goes from 1 to 68. I actually have 68 rows here. So that means it's going across all my data set. Let's leave it like this. Now let's do a compute using pane down. Now it goes from 1 to 17. 17 is actually the number of subcategories per each region. So I want my top 10. And this is correct. As you see, art, labels, and fasteners are in my top 10 as wanted. So what if I wanted to do a top of sales rather than profit? Well, one thing would be to do another rank, change this one, and do another sheet. Let's call this top within a category using the rank. Well, there's an alternative to that. You don't have to do a rank for each measure. You can actually do something a lot easier. So I'll duplicate this again and call this top using index. Let's remove our rank of profits. So create a calculated field called index, and the syntax is index. And let's bring that to filter. Again, it goes for the whole data set, but that's fine. And we modify it to use the pane down. So we want to keep our top 10. And as you see, we get the same image with profit, with the rank of profits. But you notice profit is sorted. If I sort now on sales, now I get my top 10 subcategories for each region. Why is that? Index just gives a position. The position within this table of a certain member, like chairs for central region. And if you sort by sales, then that position is 1. The next one has 2, 3, and so on. So this way you can give your user a dynamic way of looking at your data. Like here, for instance, I sorted ascending, and now I get my bottom subcategories by sales for each region. And then if I sort by profit, then I go again back to the image with the rank. So this way your user can dynamically change the sorting and visualize different rankings in the same sheet rather than constructing, I don't know, 4 ranks for each one of these. So this is the preferred way, honestly, of doing a top within a category. I like it the most, actually. So that's how you do a top within a category. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us.